Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to Vegetative Reproduction in Corms Xanthosoma and Cladium. Plants with corm like xanthosome store food in the stem, which is very short and swollen. Here we have our corm xanthosome. Let's look at the different parts. It has the old corm planted on each side. We have the adventitious roots. We have the terminal bud has not sprouted. We have the lateral bud here. Then the daughter plant formed from lateral bud. We have another daughter plant here. That is the xanthosome corm. And we are saying that it stores food in the stem. This one here is the stem. The stem is short and swollen because it has stored food. When the foliage has dried off, leaf bases where they encircle the short stem form a protective scale covering. So when the leaves, these leaves dry, they break off. For example, if you look at this leaf, if it dries, it breaks off. Like the ones that you are seeing here, these ones are leaves which have dried and broken off. So these other ones which fell off, they form a protective scale covering on the short stem. So you can see here, this is a scale covering, or what we call a scale leaf covering the stem. Xanthosoma corm is an edible cocoyam. So this corm here we are seeing is edible. That corm, which we call xanthosome corm, is an edible cocoyam. Since caladium corm is a stem, it has lateral buds which can grow into a new plant. So now we are looking at caladium corm. The caladium corm, if you look at it, it has the adventitious roots. It has got lusty season's corm. It has a lateral bud here coming out. It has the contractile roots. It has this season's corm will grow here. The corm will grow here. And we have the old leaf base. The old leaf base is this part here. So here we have our shoot. These are the shoots which are growing. And they are coming from a terminal bud, the terminal bud here. Now this terminal bud, when it forms the shoot, it will now form the new corm. When the leaves starts manufacturing food, the food will be stored at the stem here, the base of the stem, and they will start swelling. And when they start swelling, now they will develop a new corm. The stem remains below the ground all its life. Only the leaves, flowers, stalk come above the ground. So we have below the ground, the corm is going to stay underground. It is going to be only the leaves which will come above, and the flower stalk are the only ones that will come above the ground. But the stem will stay below the ground. Caladium corm is an ornamental cocoyam. This corm here, the caladium corm, is an ornamental cocoyam. It is used to beautify compounds. It is used in flower gardens. That's where it is planted. It is not an edible cocoyam like xanthosoma. Hello, thank you very much for participating in vegetative reproduction in corms, xanthosoma, and caladium. Please do like, share, and subscribe.